Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Android which won't turn on. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and try to fix it. The first is going to be by pressing and holding the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. If that doesn't work, you might also need to press and hold the power and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 20 seconds. If that doesn't work, you might need to go ahead and plug your phone into a wall outlet using a known good charger. Avoid charging through a computer USB or car charger as they may not provide enough power. If none of it works, you might need to simply go ahead and take it to your nearest Android store. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.